Hello, my dear students. I'm here with another video that is about Speaking Cue Card, a family business that you know. And Masterclass IELTS will help you how to generate the ideas, how to build up the vocabulary for a cue card. Now we have the cue card with us. That is a family business that you know, or you can also talk about a business in your family which is successful. So the questions could be what is it, where is it, and who all are the customers and what makes it successful. So in the type of cue card, this type of cue card, you must know the introduction first, how to start with a cue card. That is very important. So I have given a mind map where you can share all the ideas, the vocabulary, and you can start in 1 minute. Now you can start with, I'm very fortunate to be surrounded with the relatives and the friends whose interest is running their own business. They inspire to believe in myself and also to go beyond the limit in achieving the dream. Today, I am going to talk about my business family and the business which we are running. We are into the food processing business or recycling or baking or any other thing or makeup, anything related to that. Then you could start with, it's a very lucrative business as one can easily start it. My family members always believe in the idea of working for ourselves instead of working for others. Having a business approach, long time back my grandparents decided to start a small bakery. So I am going to talk about a bakery here which was started by my grandfather. You can also start with, they decided to start the business from home with a very small amount of capital. Moreover, our business started flourishing in no time due to the taste and right mix of products. Additionally, an apt marketing strategy and a limited competition helped in the further expansion. Within few years, they opened a new bakery in a reputed market having a high footfall. Subsequently, the annual turnover started increasing. Most of the customers prefer fresh bakery products, therefore we always focus on maintaining the quality standards and the reasonable prices. We cater to the needs of different types of customers of different age groups. Considering the demand of diversified customers, we provide the customized and personalized products. Our creativity team generates different marketing plans to attract and satisfy our customers. The interiors and the display areas are designed in such a way that more and more customers are attracted. I'm really thankful to my grandparents and parents to provide me an opportunity to run our family business, which not only helps in earning profit but also creates value to the society. It also generates employment and provides customer satisfaction and contentment to me. So in this way, you have generated a full-fledged cue card with the help of a mind map. So guys, Masterclass IELTS have helped you how to build up the vocabulary in just 1 minute with the help of mind map. And also you can generate the ideas, you can build up the vocabulary in this way. You can also contact me on WhatsApp for WhatsApp groups to get free material and notes, tips and strategies based on IELTS. You can also contact me on masterclass.ielts on Facebook. You can like my page, follow my page on masterclass.ielts, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Sapna Master IELTS. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you so much, guys.